Hello everyone, day 1 here in Georgia.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored.
Hello everyone, Miss Red here, and I am now here in Georgia. So today I'm gonna do a room tour of my Airbnb here in Georgia. So let's start. So, from the door, ang bed dayon ang makita. Like, very unusual kaayo nga maon ni siya ang imo makita iligsod nimo. So, that's my bed. And then here is my working area. I-move ra na nako ang kanang side table. And here's my happy birthday balloon. And my view from the outside. So, let's open it. Oh, it's so cold. Hello, Georgia. And as you can see, dool siya sa karsada. So, narigi siya sa center and dool sa mga tourist spots. And then the couch. And then the television. So, basically, maura na siya ang sa first floor. Now, let's go down to the basement. So down here sa basement area kay ang kitchen. So in the bar counter, we have bread and biscuits. We have candies. Shout out sa very buutan kaayong host, Nino and Georgie. We have here the dining area and also the couches nga pwede siya ma-turn into bed. And then, naasad siya air condition, pero di siya magamit kay tugno kayo diri. And then, the cooking area. So, here, pwede of course, makaluto. So, best in luto ang inday. And, the upper cabinet are mugs, cups, bowls, plates, glasses. And on the other cabinet, we have wine glasses, beer glasses. So, kana siya. And then, sa ato ang gamay nga fridge, we have olives. So, nga na ni siya daan diri. And then, of course, salami. And then, we have butter. And we have cold cheese. And more na more sa salami. Then we have beer nga wa gyud ablihan, and then we have milk, juice, Coke, then more juice, best in supply, eggs and chocolates. And then we have cake. And then we have cookies there and Oreos. And then nag-iisang itlog. And then we have veggies here. So the technique here is mag-stock or mag-grocery sa local markets nila or grocery stores para makabarato. Kay very cheap ra gyud kaayo. More similar ra kaayo siya sa Philippines. And then that's it for the kitchen. So, mauni siya ang view sa kitchen. And then, going to the other room here. So, actually, kani siya kay walk-in closet. Pero, way gamit. Kay tugnaw kaayo diri. And then, here, a cabinet for your clothes. So, nasa yung mga supplies dira gipamutang ang host. And then we also have here the toilet and the bathroom. So kana. So that's it for a very simple tour of my Airbnb here in Georgia. I'm gonna post the link of the Airbnb on the description box for you to be able to click it if you are planning to visit Tbilisi. Kaya actually very highly recommended siya because it's in the heart of the tourist center. Good. So now let's check out my glimpse of Georgia.
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight. Too many faces you only see online. Too many cases of faking by design. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and feeling old. Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet, but we're just kidding. Another movie, another neon light, another way to forget the life outside. Too many places you only see online. Love yourself, you can't be beat. But honesty is scary, so you're gonna hate to lead. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and feeling old. Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage.
I hope you're fine, since it doesn't get any easier. Just hard enough to manage. Don't waste your time, fast forward. Slow down, good things take time. Once the race is over, there's no finish line to run to. I hope you're safe, enjoying those silent nights. Watch the sky change color.